ಶಿಕ್ಷಣದ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಭವಿಷ್ಯದ ಆದ್ಯತೆ ನೀಡುತ್ತಿದೆ IEMS B ಸ್ಕೂಲ್. ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಸಿಗದ 100% ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಈಗ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗಾಗಿ. ಕೈಸನ್ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ IEMS ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಭವಿಷ್ಯದ ಕನಸಿಗೆ ಹೊಸ ಅರ್ಥವನ್ನ ಕಲ್ಪಿಸಲಿದೆ. ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಸರು ಮಾಡಿದ ಏಕೈಕ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ. ಲಕ್ಷಾಂತರ ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡಿ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಪಡೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಎಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಕೂಡ ಕೆಲಸ ಸಿಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅದೆಷ್ಟೋ ಯೂತ್ಸ್ ಓದಿನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಿರ್ಲಕ್ಷ್ಯ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು ಸಹಜ. ಆದರೆ ಹುಬ್ಬಳ್ಳಿಯ ತಾರಿಹಾಳದಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ IEMS B ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಈಗ ಯುವ ಸಮುದಾಯಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಗೂ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಆತ್ಮಸ್ಥೈರ್ಯ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಸಿ 100% ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸಾಧನೆ ಮೂಲಕ ಮಹತ್ವದ ಕಾರ್ಯ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಹಾಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಬನ್ನಿ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ವೈಶಿಷ್ಟ್ಯಗಳನ್ನೊಮ್ಮೆ ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಬರೋಣ. ಸ್ವಚ್ಛಂದ ವಾತಾವರಣ, ಹಸಿರು ತೋರಣದ ಪರಿಸರ, ಇದೆಲ್ಲದರ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿಯೇ ತಲೆ ಎತ್ತಿರುವ ವಿಶಿಷ್ಟ ಗುಣಮಟ್ಟದ ಹಾಗೂ ಉತ್ಕೃಷ್ಟ ಮಾದರಿಯ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ನೀಡುವ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯೇ IEMS B ಸ್ಕೂಲ್. ಪದವಿ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣದ ನಂತರ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಹಲವಾರು ಕೋರ್ಸ್ಗಳಿವೆ. ಯಾವುದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಲೈಫ್ ಸೆಟಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನುವಂತ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಗೊಂದಲಕ್ಕೆ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಹಾಕಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಕನಸನ್ನ ಕೈಸನ್ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ IEMS ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಸಾಕಾರಗೊಳಿಸಲಿದೆ. MBA ಶಿಕ್ಷಣದ ಮೂಲಕ ಮಹತ್ವದ ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕ ಸೇವೆ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸುತ್ತಿರುವಂತ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ನಿಜಕ್ಕೂ ಜನಮಾನಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಮನೆ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿನ ಹಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ವಿಷನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿನ ಪ್ರಾಧ್ಯಾಪಕರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಕೇಳಿ.
We gather a group of marketing mindset. This particular group is helpful for a student to learn theories into practical aspects. Here in this group, we conduct group discussion, case study, and industry campus interaction, and also online campus activities. So from this they going to excel in their marketing career. They learn some practical aspects of marketing things. Here it is not only about learning the concepts, theories, the things. Here we give a practical exposure and a practical experience how exactly the marketing field work. Recently we started providing the Harvard Business Certification. It is a part of Harvard Business Publication Education. Our college, always our visionary chairman wanted to provide North Karnataka students with a lot of facilities and excellence in their studies. To cope up with this competitive world, we are started providing this Harvard Business Publication Education, part of Harvard Business Publications. And here in this particular course, they are going to learn about leadership skills and different discipline like finance, marketing, and HR courses. From this, it's going to be helpful for them to sustain in the competitive world.
ಇನ್ನು ಉದ್ಯಮಿಗಳು ಹಾಗೂ ಚಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಅಕೌಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರುವ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ NA ಚರಂತಿಮಠ್ ಸ್ಥಾಪಿಸಿರುವಂತಹ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಸುಮಾರು 20 ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಪಾಸ್ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡುವ ಮೂಲಕ ದಾಖಲೆಯನ್ನ ಬರೆದಿದೆ. ಗುಣಮಟ್ಟದ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣದ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮೂಲಕ ಹೆಸರು ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಗುಣಮಟ್ಟದ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣದ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಹಾಗೂ ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಮಟ್ಟದ ಕಂಪನಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿನ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು ನಿಜಕ್ಕೂ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಸಂಗತಿ. 100% ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹೊಂದಿರುವ ಏಕೈಕ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಸಹಮತ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ.
I have chosen my specialization as finance and HR. Here the finance students are getting more opportunities, and college is taking more advantages, they are conducting CDCs, pre-placements, talks and all. The college is really good, and they are taking lots of initiatives for students' career, to grow the students' career and all.
I'm studying in IEMS B school. I'm here with a very vast education. I took a specialization HR and finance, and there are very good faculties, professor very acknowledged persons, and every week they'll bring us new resource person to get more knowledge about what we are going through, and we'll get a good opportunities to place in some good corporates, and even in, we have already got some good placements.
I'm studying in secondary MBA and I took HR and marketing as my specialization. Now I'm happy to share that now I got to this place at Sangeeta Mobiles, and it is possible with the help of the best guidance of my director sir and placement officer. After admit this college, I have lot of the improvement in my skill set.
I am from Bagalkot. I have studied in IMS B School and my specialization is finance and marketing. In this college, I have admission in last year and I have also selected in many placements like Indian Mart and Bandhan Bank. And the placement officer can give many opportunities like in internship. And I have get a good opportunities in this college. And my director and my faculties are also great supporting.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫ್ಯಾಕಲ್ಟಿನೂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಗೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲೈಬ್ರರಿ ಕೂಡ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಟೀನ್ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟಿ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಗುಡ್, ಟ್ರಾವೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟಿ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಗುಡ್. ದೆನ್ ನನಗೆ ಸಂಗೀತ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕಲ್ಟಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ IMS B School ಟೀಮ್.
ಸುಸಜ್ಜಿತ ಕಟ್ಟಡದ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಹೈಟೆಕ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ರೂಮ್, ಉತ್ಕೃಷ್ಟ ಗುಣಮಟ್ಟದ ಗ್ರಂಥಾಲಯ, ಹೈ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿಯನ್ನ ಒಳಗೊಂಡ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಲ್ಯಾಬ್, ಓದಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ ವಾತಾವರಣದಲ್ಲಿ ತಲೆ ಎತ್ತಿರುವ ಏಕೈಕ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ IEMS ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಊಟ ಉಪಹಾರವನ್ನ ಕೂಡ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಒದಗಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ನಿಜಕ್ಕೂ ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿದೆ. ನಾವು ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಓದಿದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ಸ್ ಬರಲೇಬೇಕು, ಹೀಗೆ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಜಕ್ಕೂ ಅಂತದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಉದಾಹರಣೆ IEMS B School.
This institution, we are located in the prime industrial area, and this is very much rural student friendly college, I can say. And I specialize in finance and marketing. We have different specializations in our college offered by KUD for 2 years MBA program, and finance, marketing and HR, these are the 3 specializations we have, and I basically look after admissions here. So I have to tell you that if you take admissions at IEMS, you would get the best returns for the investment that you make in our college.
In the entire Karnataka University, our college is only one who has offered this PGDM course. The course was started in the year 2018. It has 1 year duration spread across 2 semesters. Totally 12 subjects will be there, including 1 project in bank industry. Experts from bank industries and bank coaching institutes train the students in the various aspects of banking. We also provide placement opportunity to our students in the banking industry. And also we have MOUs with various bank coaching institutes and banks to support the placement. Thank you.
ಇನ್ನು MBA ಶಿಕ್ಷಣದಲ್ಲಿಯೇ ಹೊಸ ಕ್ರಾಂತಿಯನ್ನ ಮಾಡುವ ಮೂಲಕ ಯುವ ಪ್ರತಿಭೆಗಳ ಅನಾವರಣಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯೂ ಮುಂದಾಗಿದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ಪಠ್ಯದ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಪಠ್ಯೇತರ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಕೂಡ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಹೆಸರು ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ನುರಿತ ಬೋಧಕ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿಯಿಂದ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಪಠ್ಯದ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧಾತ್ಮಕ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡಲು ಸಹಕಾರ ದೊರೆತಿದೆ. ಈ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಬಹುದೊಡ್ಡ ಕೊಡುಗೆ ನೀಡುವ ಮೂಲಕ ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕ ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡಲು ಮುಂದಾಗಿದೆ.
Basically, we are a management institution which is started in the year 2006, and we are in the year 2024. Now we are 18-year-old. We are almost closing our teenage by another 1 year. And in this travel or in this journey of academic and co-curricular, extracurricular, research development, social activities, academic social activities, and there are so many accreditations we have gained within this stipulated time of 18 years. And to talk about the speciality of the Institution of Excellence in Management, even though we have grown 18-year-old, but our footprints are there in the industry as well as in the academia in a different arena. By seeing this, so many agencies, so many institutions, so many organizations have given credits to us. To name few of them, we are ranked by the IIRF 2024 Best Business School in the private section of the business schools. We are gained 72nd rank among the 110 B schools across the India, which was published in the Education Post. This is a Education Post journal where they published the data of the private institutions, and we are ranked among the 72th rank out of 102 institutions overall. Okay, they have covered entire details across the table, and they mentioned what is the rank, national ranking in this booklet, and they have published a detailed report also why we got this award, basically with an personal interview, and based on our credentials they have published like this in the Education Post. It is a renowned journal in the academia. At the same time, we got one more award in the year 2023. The first North, we are the secured All India rank of 148 among 400 colleges which were participated in the AICTE running Internshala, where the students are getting the internship starting from 2,000 to 20,000 rupees, where we ranked as a 110th rank overall 400 institutions. And we got the one more award, Academic Insight Excellence Award, which is published in this book. Because of our credentials, they have published this article. At the same time, we received an award for the excellency. These are the few credentials I can say because of our activities. At the same time, there are some more credentials I want to share with you. We are secured All India rank in the Internshala, and we are received a membership. We become a professional body membership with the All India Association of Management Science, and we also got the first North Karnataka management institutions running the Harvard Business School certifications, and we are running so many student projects which are given and funded by the associations like Karnataka Science and Technology, KSCST it is called. This year we got 3 projects which are funded around 40,000 rupees worth, and we received around 1 lakh rupees worth project from the All India Association of Management Science. These are the few credentials what I can say about 18 years journey. And coming to our total admissions details, we are running a management administration course for 120 intake, which is approved by the Karnataka government, AICTE and Karnataka University Dharwad. And out of this 120, we are running with the 3 specializations. There is a marketing, HR and finance. These are the 3 affiliated programs which are running by the Karnataka University Dharwad, and our academic rigor is so high, and we conduct the internal assessment and internal assessment test and the assignment test to promote the students to gear up for the continuous evaluation so that they can face the university examination in a better way. We conduct the internal assessment test in this fashion. We provide the marks, and as per the national education policy, we conduct the mapping of the course objectives and the program outcomes. These are the few things which are very special in our institution, not in any other institutions.
ಒಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ IEMS B ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ತನ್ನದೇ ಆದ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಸೇವೆಯನ್ನ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದು ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಟ್ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ದಾಖಲೆ ಬರೆಯಲು ಮುಂದಾಗಿದೆ. ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಭವಿಷ್ಯವನ್ನ ಹಸನಾಗಿಸುವ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರವೇಶ ಪಡೆದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕನಸನ್ನ ಸಾಕಾರಗೊಳಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ಯಾಕೆ ತಡ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಹಿಂದೆ ಭೇಟಿ ನೀಡಿ.